Hi, my name is Mark, and this is the 16.6 showcase for the Service Desk Single Engineer Group. The Service Desk Single Engineer Group is all about providing a complete but lightweight customer support solution that seamlessly integrates with the GitLab ecosystem and helps bring customers, support staff, and developers closer together. I'm going to change the cadence of these videos from a monthly showcase to a release showcase. The goal of this video series is to showcase the work we've done for Service Desk in a certain milestone, so it's easier for you to see what's been included in the release. For transparency, I will include a link to all merge requests for this milestone in the video description and the showcase issue. For the custom email feature, I added documentation how we store SMTP credentials. The username and password are stored in the database using the advanced encryption standard with a 256-bit key. The host and port are stored as is. We also fixed a bug where you could disable a custom email address by sending an email that looked like a verification email to the verification address. When establishing an SMTP connection, the client and server usually perform a handshake and exchange their capabilities, such as supported authentication methods. In most cases, the underlying Ruby library that we use to send emails via SMTP will select a server-supported authentication method. But sometimes this doesn't work automatically and the user needs to specify the authentication method to use. For example, this happens when you use Microsoft 365. So I decided to add another option to the custom email configuration form that allows you to explicitly select the authentication method. Adding external participants from the CC header was included in the last showcase, but it's part of the 16.6 release, so I wanted to quickly mention it here. We recently went through another organizational restructuring that affected the Respond group that worked together with me on Service Desk. The team members moved to other groups and continued to work on features like code suggestions, editor extensions, analytics instrumentation, engineering productivity, and pipeline authoring. I will continue to work on Service Desk, and the Service Desk Single Engineer Group now owns the Respond Group's feature categories. These are Service Desk, Incident Management, and On-Call Schedule Management. So now you see the section Single Engineer Group, DevOps Service Management, Group Respond labels on issues and merge requests related to these categories. In the October showcase, I already talked about a fixed vulnerability. Normally, we wait for at least 30 days after security release to make the vulnerability issue public. In this case, we added proper post-processing to the issue description placeholder in Service Desk email templates. Previously, an attacker could extract issue titles from private projects and confidential issues by adding the reference to the email body in a particular setup. You can read more about this in the issue. No data has been extracted from GitLab SaaS using this vulnerability to our knowledge. And I specified goals for the 16.7 release. These remain unchanged. Implement the iteration plan for custom email address in the variability maturity. Implement 2 parts of the multiple external participants feature. And that's it for today. Take care and see you soon.